our goal coming to the boat show was to get on an epic boat, and
we have
to get on
achieved
an
it.
epic boat. So right on.
Thank you, Adam.
Adam hooked it up. All right, Ryder. So we just went by the boat show, leaving from our hotel, and it's $100 to park at the boat show. And we figured we would come back, park the car, and get an Uber, which is $15. What do you think's better, Ryder? $100 or $15? $15. All right. All right. What do you guys think? Is it fancy? Come on, Sandy.
To the boat show. We are. All right, we're on our way to the boat show. Who's excited? Yeah!
We got everything? We got everything? We good? Say we're here.
We're here. Welcome to the boat show. Welcome to the boat show. Welcome to the boat show. Boom. You didn't think we would leave you, did you?
We don't know what we got to do here, so let's figure it out. All right, we are officially here at the Fort Lauderdale Boat Show. Woo! Holy crap. One,
There's
it's
some
hot.
big ass boats here.
Two, there's some big ass boats
Big
here.
ass boats. We haven't gotten any yet, in any yet, so.
Yeah, we just walked in and epic, absolutely epic.
Wow. What do you think, Sky? Look at over there, just pan the camera, my God.
Check this out right here. The back end opens up and you got a nice little bar in there to entertain yourselves while you're out on the back porch here. It's pretty cool. Jeez Louise. What'd you say?
That one's only 745,000.
Yeah,
Better than 5.5 million.
You're getting used to it, huh? Jeez Louise.
What's the name of that? Octopussy.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome, no problem.
You just got in trouble. What happened to you?
We never said kids have to.
No,
So the cops just came by and told Sandy, you better put on your face mask. Don't be giving us coronavirus, homie.
all right, so these are cool to see, but we can't go on them. So I want to go to the area where we can go on them.
That's a whole lot of ship.
All right, so we're gonna check out a couple of the yachts, and then we're gonna head on into the expo center and look at all the goodies and all the fun stuff. The kids are really excited about that part.
I feel like a fried fish.
Already?
I feel like a fried alligator.
It's a little toasty out here, huh?
I feel like a burnt meat. We can just say that we're buyers and go and boat, and then they'll say, so you didn't want to buy them? It's like, I think we're good. I think we'll find another one to look at. Maybe we'll come back.
All right, so a lot of these boats are private invite only, which you can understand. I mean, $3 to $6, $7, $8, $9, $10 million. They don't want every Tom, Dick, and Harry walking through these things. So we were gonna go on one, and he's like, you gotta sign in, give us your email, blah, 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 blah. On to the next. I do like Sky's strategy though.
It's true.
So this thing's really cool here because the sides fold down on the boat and you get double the boat space when you're making it to your place and you just want to chill out and hang. Man, these boats are absolutely gorgeous. Even the anchors are pretty awesome looking. I think they know what they're doing with these ones. All right, so all the kids are starting to melt down. It's really hot out here.
Aww.
We gotta go up this way, guys. And we need time. It's gotta be an ice cream break. We gotta get inside and get some AC because it is hot and nasty.
I don't know how we survived this hot in Vegas.
Yeah, give me a sound bite. Right? What is it, guys? What is it? What is it?
Zombie. Okay. Wait, is this a zombie?
All flavors mixed together. What you got? What do you think? Oh, Ryder got a smile.
We love sunset slushies.
All right, are you happy now?
Yeah.
All right. At some point, you're gonna need 1,800 horsepower on your boat, and if you do, that's the boat for you. All right, what's up?
Okay, so one of the main things that you're gonna need is a dinghy with your boat, unless your boat comes with a dinghy.
You're a dinghy.
But we are excited to look at some dinghies. I know the kids are, because it's more their size. They're excited, they want to drive it. So let's go check out some dinghies, guys.
All right. So wait, how much that one?
I think that one was 33,000. Is that possible?
All right,
I thought they were more like
What'd you say about the
4,000.
paddles?
Maybe if you can't afford 33,000 for that one, you can get one with paddles and you can
Guys, let's go check out the yellow one over here.
So yeah, I think we need to look between 20, 30,000 for a tender.
I think we need to go on Facebook Marketplace and put in dinghies because I ain't spending $40,000 for a freaking
That
dinghy.
might be a better
I
option.
get a boat for $40,000.
Actually, we need a boat.
What is it,
there.
right?
A tiny boat.
Tiny boat, you want to see it?
This is my kind of boat. Wait,
Just your size,
does
right?
anybody have 10 cents?
It's only 10 cents. Look at that.
Ask Daddy.
All right, so guys, these are really cool. This is for when you're underwater, you hold on to it, and you can dive down like 10, 15 feet, and it's like a jet ski underwater.
What do you guys think about that? Is that cool?
You didn't think I was gonna leave you, did you?
Oh man, it's so nice to get in here in the air conditioner. In an attempt to stay cool, I got a nylon shirt on. I think I'm
Pineapple smoothie.
soaked to the bone.
For the win. I got throw freezer ready.
Delicious. You want to try it?
It's good.
To do a crossing, like one of those 30-day crossings, I told Jimmy and he laughed at me, but I said we could put our boat on a big boat and they can bring it there for us. We can fly there and we don't have to worry about a 30-day crossing with the 3 kids. Everybody in the sailing community would absolutely laugh at us, but
I'm not doing that.
they'll laugh at you too because the boat will be on the big boat.
Wait, get focused, get focused. Hey, what's up with this?
So we got twins
All right,
here.
so I saw he had a shirt like this yesterday. I told him, hey man, tomorrow I'm gonna wear this shirt. We got a match, so that's it. We're matching.
All right, you guys are representing. Sexy boat guys.
It's sweaty. I don't know what you're
Yeah. Hey, wait, let me take a picture.
Skylar's dying to see one of these boards over here, so check this out when I tell her what I just found. Skylar, I gotta show you something over here. Go around this corner right here, and let's check it out. Sky. Go look.
Can I please get one?
Sky, give me a soundbite.
I have been dying to get one for like 14 months, and I finally found one. Well, actually, we found it.
Onto that, and then when you feel comfortable and you're at the right speed, you can go slow and just come up. You could use it as a dead man switch. 20 will get you 28 miles an hour. So let it happen and shake it off the back.
They're $13,000. That's cheap. But is it?
All right, so we were just talking with Sean here at Flightboard, and he said maybe he can get us out tomorrow on the Flightboard.
Another cool element to Sean too is he's friends with Sailing the Vagabond, and yeah, some superstars in the boating world. So that's pretty cool too.
They just said there's a downpour coming. All right, so we're here at the boat show, and there's these super yachts and really big, fancy boats, and you can't really go in them because you need appointments, or you have to sign in and all that. And we just want to take a quick looky-loo and, you know, in and out. So we're gonna see which ones we can actually go on. We're so curious.
So Captain Dominic is who we met yesterday and took us out on that 62-foot mega freaking crazy yacht. So we connected with him here at the show again today.
What's up,
so
man?
That's pretty dope, man.
Yeah,
what a small
super
world.
cool.
Small world.
And maybe we can do something else interesting later.
All right, this guy's full of interest and intrigue. That's what captains do.
You gotta see the Vanderhalls. They are unreal.
What's a Vanderhall?
What's a Vanderhall?
You're a Vanderhall.
Come check it out.
Would you like to have one of those?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, cutie. You want to sit in one of these? You get your picture ready? After you, young man.
Oh my God, right
You
on.
are a future Vanderhall owner.
What are you doing?
There you go. Looking good. Like you're driving it.
Can you see over the dash?
Yeah.
Cute.
It's cool.
Say, I love Vanderhall.
I love Vanderhalls.
Awesome.
Thank you.
You're very welcome. Thank you.
All right, high five, buddy.
You made my day. You're so cute.
All right, so it looks like some clouds are rolling in. The word on the dock is it might rain. It might be a downpour, so hopefully
What?
not.
You guys want it to rain? Why? Hey! Always conniving.
So I have the opportunity to get on this boat with you guys. I want you guys to see this boat, and everything's
Oh, I
absolutely
bet, yeah.
perfect. So you'll need to take your shoes off, and it's like stupid. So,
Okay.
but it's stupid.
Is it this
Yeah.
one here?
Yeah.
All right.
So it's 2019.
We get to go on this amazing 2019 something or another blue water, 8 million. Whoa, check that out.
Enough toys to have fun, but not.
Enough toys to have fun can fit down there. That's what he said.
Put the tender in the water and take the jet ski out.
And the jet ski goes here, and the tender goes there.
So we're going on this super yacht.
Round the bow, and then we'll go take the engine room, we'll do the fly bridge, and we'll just cross over with them.
This is how they roll, guys. This is really cool to be able to come on here and do an experience like this. So we can't touch anything, can't look at anything, can't do anything.
You can touch whatever you want. Mate, the boat's pretty badass.
You drive this one?
Yeah. It's not cheap to run.
Yeah. Okay, so what's like an average, like what's not cheap, what in the world of yachting?
Oh, I mean, if you're talking about fuel-wise,
How many gallons is there, or liters there?
it takes 12,000 each, so it's 4,000 gallons to fill it up.
Wow, 4,000 gallons.
But that'll get you to halfway to Boston, you know.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
Is this considered a super yacht?
It is if you think it's super.
Yeah, I think it's super. You guys think
I
it's
think
super?
it's super.
Where the heart of the machine is.
Yeah,
I mean,
that's
this is where the action happens. This is my office.
Yes, definitely. What do you think? Holy crap. Wow. All right. Holy moly.
2 1,800 horsepower man engines, 2 gens, 18 kVA each. So they're going to do, even one will do the whole boat's power. 3 air conditioning systems, the water maker. I've run boats for a long time. This is a lot of stuff squeezed into a small boat, but it's done really well. I mean, it really is.
Mind-boggling to me because I'm like, there's a lot of stuff in here.
The owners purchased 5-year warranty on these engines, which cost you about $50,000 an engine.
Yeah.
Basically $8,000 each oil change every 400 hours. Believe me, it adds up. If you want to own a super yacht,
Yeah, you don't care. You're not worried about it.
you got to have some bucks to pay for it. But
You're not scared about oil change.
and I'll show you the inside now, and you're going to be like, wow.
I know. Kiddos, what do you think?
Let's put it in. You got a fridge here, you got an ice maker in there, you got a load of cupboards in there, you got a wine cooler in here, which is the most coolest thing going.
Oh, wow, look at that.
Double wine cooler. And you'd be knocking on Mum's cabinet at like 2 o'clock in the morning and say, hey girls,
Yeah, what do you got, Ben?
Nixon is speechless.
All right, so this is the headroom, is that what we call it? The stateroom? This is the stateroom right here. This would be the master suite, where of course us, the parents, would be getting away from all the kids and stuff like that. But if we check out downstairs, there's 3 bedrooms downstairs with 4 beds, a couple bathrooms. Pretty epic.
And then there's conditioner things in
Oh,
there.
look at that, yeah.
Yeah, the toilet's
Did you
ridiculous.
drive something like this? All right, so this is one of the rooms here. Oh my God, there's a guy in here. What's up, guy? That scared us, huh? This boat is epic. So glad Captain Dominic hooked us up and let us get a chance to check out his boat. Let's go. All right, so this would be a cool little room for the kids.
This would be me and Ryder's bedroom. Nixon would have her own bedroom.
God, the carpet's amazing. Kitchen.
hand at the back, but I mean, but it's.
What do you think? What are some of your thoughts?
Insane. It's pretty crazy.
It is crazy.
That's where you steer. What do you think,
It
Jimmy?
goes up, it clips on, so you can't. The same as what you got inside is outside.
It is.
So this comes up, it's identical to the front. This comes up.
Wow. 6.995.
So if you were out here and you decided you want to just take a dip in the hot tub, there you go. We got a hot tub right here. Next, what do you think about the hot tub? All right, so he had splash coming up on the side. He showed us a video, and that's how high the splash was coming up. Oh my gosh. Thank you, man. Thank you.
Yes.
What do you think, man? What do you think? Thank you. Yeah. All right, man. Thanks for the tour, bro.
Be right.
All right,
Good
man.
one.
Thanks for the tour. Awesome. Great boat. Highlight of the show. Thank you guys very much.
This is the honest tour.
Bye, guys.
We lost you.
Well, you know,
Highlight of the show right there, guys. Got to say super yacht, $7 million, 2019. Not too bad. Epic, epic, epic.
Keep moving up.
What do you think?
It's sticky. It's like the Titanic.
Good accent.
You didn't think we were gonna leave here, did you?
Okay,
another goodbye.
Yes, another goodbye. We're gonna check out one more tent. These guys are gonna take off, so we're almost there, guys. We're almost there.
Come see you guys.
All right, Sandy, how cool is it to be down here in Fort Lauderdale? We've been here 4 days.
We've done
people down here.
insane things already.
So we are firm believers in total immersion. So the reason why we had to come down here is so we could be a part of this.
Because being in the desert, you're not being a part of this.
So guys, if you got anything you want to do,
get yourself involved, because you never know what happens.
Man, try something new.
And you try something
That's all I gotta
new,
say.
even if you don't have a clue.
Sounds like a great channel.
Hey, even if you don't have a clue, you try something new.
Sounds like a great name for a channel.
As we're about to get rained on really, really
I think
bad.
I'm gonna take that channel name. What do you think?
Yes.
Fishing poles, flip-flops,
Sound system.
need an engine, sunglasses, beach balls.
So this thing behind me is really cool. It's called the Airline. It's like an inner tube that floats next to you with a compressor in it, and you go down about 30 feet. And you don't need any scuba gear with you, and it produces a non-stop flow of air. Not a clue said they bought one of these and they really like it.
So, in case anybody's worried about the boat flipping over or something bad happening, you probably want one of these behind me. Keeps you safe and protected and saves your life.
Want a hammock to relax?
Just lean back.
What do you think? Good?
Paddleboards.
My first experience and only experience with paddleboards did not go so well. I could not get up. The kids each got up and did it all by themselves. It was awesome. Every time I got to my knees and up, I just shook, and then fell over. My challenge is to get good and be able to stand up and paddle on paddleboard.
Comb your hair or cut somebody. You didn't think we were gonna forget you, did you?
That was great.
All right, so that wraps up this tour
2020.
of the 2020 Fort Lauderdale International Boat Show. We had a great time.
Awesome.
Met up with some great people.
So they didn't have any cats or sailing boats, but that's okay. We just enjoyed what they did have, which was insane yachts. The accessories tent where we got to see all the toys that we want to buy in the future.
Yes.
And the kids had a great time.
The Fort Lauderdale Boat Show was good because we got all the stuff, but the bad side is that our feet are like burning off. And holy shit, there was a lot of ships. Wait, just film.
And today I can say we definitely tried something new.